Do you have a website that you would like millions of people to see? Maybe you joined a really good affiliate program that you want to get in front of as many eyeballs as you can. How do you plan to do this? What if I told you there was a way to get floods of people to your site or sites, and it was all done in just 5 minutes? I'm talking about all-inclusive ads. Massive exposure for your website or online offer has never been easier. Seriously, think of the money you can make if you have a flood of potential buys hitting your site or affiliate page all the time. With all-inclusive ads, all you need is 5 minutes and your website link to start getting paid today. No experience or technical skills required. Okay, now I hear you asking, how does all-inclusive ads bring you all the traffic? Here's the breakdown. Media buying experts buy ultra-targeted traffic just for you. These experts purchase over $40,000 of advertising every month. They put their buying experience, power, and money to work for you. And all you do is sit back while they direct that traffic to up to 10 of your links. So join today and submit up to 10 of your best links, and we'll send all the traffic you could want to them. Here's a small sample of where we are spending our ad dollars for you. Google AdWords, Yahoo PPC, newspaper ads, banner ads, YouTube videos, social bookmarking, blog posts, and more. Think of all-inclusive ads as your $40,000 traffic source, all for a low, low price. But it's only available for a limited amount of people, and when we have the limit, we close the door.